Hi team, my name is Karan Shrestha, and I have created GenAI Career Assistant Agent. So, which is basically a guide for you towards the journey of your career in generative AI. So, the basic motivation is people wants to get into this generative AI, but it's really big, and there are a lot of confusing how to do, and there are many things to get into it. So, I have used all the free open sources, LangChain, LangGraph, Gemini, and DuckDuckGo search result. So, this is my graph. So, it categorized into learning, handle interview, resume making, and job search. And further, for learning, there is two things. The user can create tutorials and prepare the tutorials and ask the query to the bot and have chat discussion post. And there is handle resume making, so it can create a resume and modify the resume based on job search. There is a mock interview session they can do, and the interview topics discussion as well. And at last, finally, it will do a job search as well based on the user. So these are my graphs. So this is the code, and I will take you directly to the testing part. So this is the first test case where the user wants to get tutorial on some LangChain and LangGraph. So it will create with a whole tutorial like this with .md file. And you can see over here also this .md file is saved in your local. And second is Q&A session for any doubt they have after learning. So let's say this is confused in LangGraph and True-AI. So it is interactive. They can the user can cross question and get the answer. And at the end, it will also be saved like a Q&A session here. The user can refer at last at the end of the chat also. And third is interview question discussion also. So these are the interview questions. You can interact with my agent and chat. And at the end, interview question also will be saved like this. Another is mock interview and evaluation. So it will create the mock interview, and at the end, it will give the evaluation part. It also saved in this mock interview file with evaluation part. And the fifth is resume modification. So you can also modify resume like this. Okay, so it is interactive. It will ask the question, and then we can save the resume like this in this also. Okay, and also it will create from the scratch resume making as well. So you can interact and then chat with my agent and answer the question, and it will create the agent. It will create the .md file resume. And last is job search. So job search will be also done by my agent. So you can see here the whole job listing is given there. So based on the user query, so they want GenAI roles location. So we can create. So I have created specifically for domain specific for generative AI. We can also make it for generic. Okay, so we can make it dynamic, like in which career they want to take a path. So that's the enhancement we can do, and in my agent. So yeah, for today, that's it. Thank you very much.